Today we are going to be making a video of how to turn a flat piece of duct, straight duct, into a 3-piece 90. You may say, well, why don't you just buy it? Well, you do buy it, but if you're out in the field and you can't buy it because you need it right then this is how you do it. So I'm just using a piece of wall stack because I've got it and it's easy to work with. So first thing you do is you measure it 3 foot. On our 90, I want a 4-inch throat. So what we're going to do is just mark the center, which would be 18 inches. Alright? So, since I want a 4-inch throat, mark here 2 inches, which would be 16. Mark over here 2 inches, would be 20. So, we're going to have a flange on it for S-lock, and on the side it's going to have a drive on the side. So, we need to go do another inch there and another inch there. And you'll see why those marks are important here when we're done in 22 inches. This 15-inch mark there and the 21-inch mark, that's going to be our cut line. Alright, so now what you do is you get a piece of paper. It's a regular piece of paper. What you do is you fold it one time, get the point lined up, get the edges lined up. Alright, that fold is a 45, and what you do, this is the important part, you fold it over one more time, and that gives you a 22.5-degree angle. So what you do, we know our cut line is going to be at 15 and 21. So you go up here again at the other end of the duct. You make a mark at 15 and one at 21. I always use the S-lock for a straight edge. So there's our line there. Line there. Okay, what you do is you take your piece of paper that you folded up, and on that line, hold it, make your mark. Same thing on the other side. Just take your S-lock again. Make your line. Make your line. Come on. Then what you do is you measure, and you're going to be at 9 5/16. You go over on the other side. Transfer your line down here. 9 5/16. And this one here, the other side says the same. 9 5/16. Make your mark. You take your S-lock, Draw your line. And draw your line. Okay. You need to transfer that one more time. So what you do is you just kind of line it up. Line it up. Up. So our lines, our throat lines, our cut line is going to be 15 and 21. So you take this, back here, do 15 and 21. And you take your S-lock. Transfer that up a little bit so you can see it. Okay, and then you just do your line. Do your line, and these two should line up. Okay, so here's what we got. We got this is our cut line right here, cut line right there, cut line, cut line, cut line, cut line. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out, and then come back and we'll start it back up.